Okay everyone, wow. So you may have seen in my last video just about kind of reading to kids. I've been sent a pack, a bit of a kind of pack from a publishing house. So I've requested to be able to read, basically get permission from them to read some like short stories, some bedtime stories. And they kind of offered to send me a new book and all sorts of stuff. That today has arrived, so I'm going to open it up. I've kind of resisted all day opening this, so it's been a work day, so I've been at work, and it came kind of earlier this morning, and I could have opened it at lunch, but I thought I'll kind of open this and see what we get and try and document it as a bit of a follow-on little video, just see what we get. So without further ado, trusty scissors, let's see what we've got in here. So obviously, my chap at the actual publishing house said that basically I would be getting sent the latest version of this particular book, which is awesome. And he said he'd put some extras in there as well, so I have no idea what's actually in here. I know there's the latest version of the book that I wanted to read, which is great. So that means I can now start doing the actual the videos, the little kind of bedtime stories. So if you've got kids and they really enjoy kind of a bit of a routine and bedtime stories like nursery rhymes, fairy tales, those kind of things, I've got probably a good 30 to 40 of those coming soon. They'll probably only be about 3.5, 4 minutes long each one. Just a little story before bed. So if your kids like that kind of thing, watch this space. I will be doing that very soon. Let's see what we got in here. So, goodies. Oh, it's well wrapped. Bubble wrap. I like bubble wrap. Okay. So you may have recalled I referred to my correspondent at the actual publishing house as Bob. Hi, Bob. Hi there, Bob. Hey there, Bob. Bob. Bobbert. Hey, Bob. Bob. Bobby, Bob. Bobby, Bob. Hey, Bob. So, bless him, Bob has actually put in a lovely compliment slip just from the actual publishing house, which will go on my little notice board of amazingness. Just obviously, again, just another little win, another little tick in the box as my little journey continues in kind of what I'm wanting to do with the channel. So that's a nice little thing, so he's put with compliments. Nice little package. So, we'll see what's in here. Let's see. It's kind of exciting. It's nice, this, though, All I was asking for was permission to read the book, and I've got a load of new books, so, hey, sometimes it's worth asking those questions, eh? Okay, and another layer of bubble wrap. Which is good. They obviously care about the books. Makes it a bit more effort for me to get into them as well. Makes it, worthwhile. Okay. So, as you will see, this is the new version of the book. Okay, so the original book I got that for my kids, and we used to read them to them all the time, and they really enjoyed the bedtime stories. Again, if you're a parent, buy this book or something similar, get reading to your kids. Kids love a bit of quality time with you. If you obviously, if you don't want to read, then by all means, share my videos. That can be just as good for routine as well. Okay, so this is the actual new version of the book. A Story a Day it's called, and it's full of amazing and fantastic, you can see better there, kind of illustrations. Really colourful, really bright, ideal for kids. Lovely. So what a fantastic gift. Thank you ever so much to the publishing house. And as I say, do keep a little eye out for the actual videos, because I will be sharing obviously like links to the books. And as I say, you can then go and purchase your own anyway. And as I say, for me, the big thing here is about getting kids enjoying reading, enjoying stories, using their imagination, and that doesn't have to mean the kids do it on their own. It's driven by parents, really. It's you guys that, you know, they see you doing it, they want to learn, they want to get involved, so it's just as important that you kind of get on board as well with it. So another brilliant one here. Wow, so this could be great to read. Again, fantastic artwork, a lovely, lovely book. So it's called The Big Book of Just So Stories, okay? Don't know if you can see that. Okay. So that looks like a really, really nice one as well. Hardback. So we've got things like how the camel got his hump, how the leopard got his spots, how the rhinoceros got his skin, and how the whale got his throat. So some lovely pictures in there as well. So that could be another one I may read. As I say, I will, again, of course, ask for permission. But the focus at the minute is those lovely little bedtime stories for all the kids. So we'll see how all that goes. And I've got another one here. So another big book, which is brilliant. And they've really nicely finished these. So they've got almost like a kind of very glossy feel to the hardback area of the book. So this area, okay, it's very glossy. And then here we've actually got this lovely raised, where the text is, the main text there, got this kind of lovely, almost it's embossed area, which is actually covered in like a glitter, which I think has then been kind of spot UV varnished on or something like that. So that's really nicely done. Again, lovely finish with it. So another, and this is Dinosaur Adventures, okay? So if we didn't see that for everyone, Dinosaur Adventures, so even more fun going on there. So what have we got in here? So T-Rex the Big Scare, Diplodocus, Velociraptor, and others. So we've got loads of lovely stories here, look. Those are the kind of things we've got. So fantastic illustrations. And they smell lovely. New books. Can't beat new books. Can't beat old books. But yeah, the focus for me is obviously it's this one. So short stories to share. As I say, that will be coming very soon. I have permission. And as I say, I will be working my way through that as best I can. And as I say, actually they've got this. This is fantastic. So the way they've laid this one out in comparison to the old one, which was just a collection of stories, is they actually have, as it kind of the title would suggest, it is a story a day for a whole year. So there's some little short stories in here, and as you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see here, so we've got a date on every page, okay, and it's a story every single day throughout the year, which is brilliant, isn't it, as a book to go through, all the way through to December. So again, we've got here, look, December 15th, I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so that's amazing. Fantastic. So I'm going to see what I can do. Anyway, I just wanted to kind of put this one out again, just a little follow on from what we're doing, because I'm trying to track maybe my journey on YouTube as well, and kind of any hurdles I've come across or obstacles, and maybe it'll kind of give you guys some inspiration for your own channels or ideas as to, you know, what you want to do yourself. So watch out for the stories, they'll be coming soon, and have a fantastic day, everyone. And obviously, as always, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It'll be worth it. Okay? Fun times, creativity, imagination, that's what you get with me. So, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.